Everything is relative in our lives. Eyeshadow of a big box size or a pinky-sized lip gloss. Is it much or not? Watch how to create giant and miniature makeup in our new video. What a boring day! Sometimes you just need something magical to happen. Ask and you shall receive. I've just been thinking about magic and a real Alice from Wonderland appears. Alice hasn't come empty-handed. Looking at my pale and bored face, she's brought a gigantic face powder. Take a cookie tin and spray paint it gold. Cover foam plastic balls with foundation. Draw a powder label on a round piece of golden cardboard using a marker. Hot glue it to the lid. Cover the balls with pearl paint and put them into the box. I open a gigantic face powder. Wow! With balls like these, you may do makeup for all people with bored faces in the city. I offer Alice to join my tea party, but she seems to prefer being a guest at a mad tea party, along with the Hatter and the March Hare. So Alice disappears. Nail polishes tend to run out at the most unexpected moment. How should I finish my nails now? Some fingers will feel lonely and sad. But Alice has come to help me again. It's great that she understands the crucial importance of manicure. Alice claps her hands, and voila! A huge nail polish appears on the table. Take a big glass jar. Take a plastic flower pot of an appropriate size. We will make a high cap shape, just like the one covering a real nail polish bottle. Hot glue a long foam plastic cone to the bottom of the pot. Spray paint it black. Pour acrylic paint into the jar and spread it over the walls. Take a paintbrush and cut off the excess. Hot glue it to the cap. Attach a printed out nail polish label to the jar. Close the cap. Wow! What a gigantic polish bottle! How should I use it? The brush is also enormous. Maybe it's for a giant girl's nails. You may paint everything around you with this nail polish. But Alice finds out a solution in no time. You can use a brush that comes with your regular nail polish and dip it into this gigantic jar. I will use this nail polish for a gazillion years to come. Even my grandchildren and grand-grandchildren will keep using this after me. All regular nail polishes are nothing compared to my new extra-large makeup. I can forget about restocking my makeup collection with this new face powder and huge nail polish. Meanwhile, Alice is doing some magic tricks and we get some tea and sweets. But there is something I want more than sweets. I wonder if Alice can make this come true. It's a real challenge. Move up, cookies and tea. It's time for a whole makeup set. Take a big cardboard box. We've painted it in a bright color in advance. Take a strip of corrugated cardboard, which is as wide as the box and a little longer. Fold the side flaps, scoring the fold lines with a craft knife and a ruler. Put it on the box. Put the cardboard holder inside the box. Trace a cutlery tray on the cardboard and cut out a proper hole. Paint the cardboard frame in a bright color and hot glue it to the box. Paint the tray gold and put it into the box. Mix sand with acrylic paint. Add some glitter and mix. Put this mass into the tray. Press it. Make a few eyeshadow colors by mixing sand with different paints and put a paintbrush into the palette. Decorate the lid of the box with golden tape. I open the Wonder Box. I can even dip my head into these awesome eyeshadows and the makeup will be put on without any help. Moreover, it is so fun to squish it in your hands. Huge stress-relieving eyeshadows are at your disposal. Foundation, check. Eyeshadows, check. To complete the picture, mascara is all that's missing. The regularly sized mascara is not for Alice. If we talk about lashes, she means extra large lashes. Mark the dimensions of a big shampoo bottle on a piece of decorative adhesive paper. Cut out a proper length and stick it to the bottle. Decorate the edges with golden tape. Cut out a printed label. Attach it to the bottle and embellish with the golden tape. Take an empty chips can for the mascara top. Trace the shampoo bottle cap on the transparent lid. Cut a hole. Put a cap into it. Cut off the edge. The lid should go into the chips can easily. Mark the border inside the can and apply hot glue. Attach the lid. Take a bottle brush and cut off the handle with pliers. Press the end of the metal stick so that you can fasten it. Hot glue it to the shampoo cap. Put the brush into the can and secure using hot glue. Cover the can with a coat of black acrylic paint. Embellish the edge with the golden tape. Paint the brush with black paint too, and put it into the bottle. Close the mascara. Oh my! I can cover not only my lashes with this mascara, but also my eyebrows, hair, sweater, and even the armchair. This is how we do it, the total makeup. All the giant makeup is okay, except for one thing. How will I be able to tuck it into my makeup bag? I need a separate suitcase for it, or even two. A giant mirror would travel in the second one. But Alice knows better than anyone else about the timeless problem when makeup doesn't fit in a bag. That's why she quickly fixes the situation. Some magic tricks and makeup miniatures appear on the table. It seems that Alice acquired it from her voyage to Lilliput. For example, thin, tiny lip gloss. It is perfect for my tender lips. Take a small glitter bottle. Take off the cotton from a Q-tip. Cut off a little piece of the stick. Take off an eyeshadow applicator and cut half of it. Attach the applicator tip to the plastic stick. Cut off a cap of a marker using a heated knife. Hot glue the top of the cap to the glitter bottle. Open the bottle and hot glue the applicator stick into the cap. Take off a wiper from a regular lip gloss and pour the gloss into the little bottle. Put the applicator inside and close the cap. Write the name on the bottle using a black marker. The lip gloss is so space-saving that it can fit into the tiniest makeup bag. What's inside of this little bottle? Is it a shrinking liquid inside? I open the cap. Oh, I see! Judging by the smell, it's a perfume miniature. Take an empty eyeliner. Thoroughly clean the bottle. Mix dark red and dark blue acrylic paints and paint the bottle in a mysterious deep purple color. Cut out a print from an old cream tube. We have a flower. Put your favorite perfume into the bottle. Screw on a proper cap and hot glue the print to the bottle. I apply some perfume to my neck. Who could have thought that a fine fragrance is hidden in such a tiny bottle? And here's a mini foundation tube. Alice takes care of my skin. Open a small tube of old ointment using a knife and cut off the bottom. Clean up the inside using a Q-tip. Fill the tube with BB cream. Pinch the end of the tube and fold it up tightly. Paint the tube beige. Put the cap on the applicator to make the job easier, and paint the cap with black nail polish. When dry, write the name of the cream with a black pen. Add some details and close the tube. I wonder how long this cream will last. I don't want to say that my cheeks are too big, but I'm afraid this amount of cream won't be enough unless you are going to do a BB bug makeup. And here is Itsy Bitsy Blush. It's so sweet. There's even a teeny weeny puff inside. Cover a round clear makeup container with pink nail polish. Fill it with blush. Press it with a spoon. Take a fluffy pink pom-pom and snip off half. Cut off a strip of satin ribbon and hot glue it to a cardboard circle so that there is a loop. Hot glue a pom-pom half to the other side. Put a little puff into the blush container and close the lid. The blush may be tiny, but it is real anyway. It can make your skin tone and mood better. While I'm playing with my makeup miniatures, Alice wants to take her big presents. No way! I like makeup of all sizes. I don't want to share. Alice disappears as unexpectedly as she showed up, and only my unusual makeup proves it hasn't been a dream. Did you like playing with the makeup? Then write in your comments which makeup size you prefer. And don't forget to give your thumbs up.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind, blow your mind.